Breaking overnight news on the origins of COVID-19. A joint World Health Organization study shows that a lab leak of the virus is, quote, extremely unlikely.
So the information was obtained in a draft copy obtained by the Associated Press after a World Health Organization team of international scientists visited China earlier in the year.
Alexandra is joining us now. Researchers believe the virus transmitted from bats to humans and through other animals.
Right, and these findings were expected. However, the draft report is inconclusive on whether that outbreak started at a seafood market in Wuhan, China, where some of the earliest cases were reported back in December 2019. Members of the World Health Organization that went to China earlier this year say they have a good idea of how COVID-19 originated. A member of that team, an expert on how animal viruses jump to humans, appeared on 60 Minutes last night.
The theory is that somehow that virus got from a bat into one of these wildlife farms, and then the animals were shipped into the market, and that they contaminated people while they were handling them, chopping them up, killing them, whatever you do before you cook an animal.
But the World Health Organization team did not test these animals. They say a team in China did, and the animals were found to be negative for the virus.
But the fact that those animals are there is the clue. They never had any evidence of a virus like COVID in the lab.
Researchers proposed further study in every area except the lab leak scenario. This and the fact the report had been repeatedly delayed raised questions about whether the Chinese researchers were trying to prevent blame being placed on China for the pandemic.
You're saying that China did the investigation and showed the results to the committee and that was it?
Pretty much that was it. Not entirely, but pretty much that was it. Imagine if we had asked the Soviet Union to do a co-investigation of Chernobyl. It doesn't really make sense.
Now, this is a draft copy of this report. The AP said it received a near final version of the report and indicated that it could be changed again before its final official release. Live in Pawtucket, Alexandra, 12 News.